Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a MetaMask Wallet account on your mobile device. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take is to download and install the MetaMask app into your device. So guys, now what you have to do now is to go over to your Play Store if you're using an Android device. But if you're using an iOS device or an iPhone, what you have to do is to go over to your App Store. So guys, let me tap on my Play Store since I'm using an Android device. Let me tap on it. So guys, now once your Play Store opens up, the next step you have to take now is to tap on the search bar at the top. You can see it there, so let me tap on it. Then after that, what you have to do next now is to type in MetaMask. So guys, let me type it in right away. MetaMask. So guys, now you can see that I've typed it in, so let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see MetaMask right there. Let me tap on it so you see it clearly. So guys, right here is the MetaMask mobile app. You can see the name MetaMask blockchain wallet. You can see the logo. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see install. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the MetaMask have started downloading. As you can see, is at 9%. So guys, what you have to do is to wait till it gets to 100%. And once it gets to 100%, it's going to start installing automatically. So guys, let's just wait for a few seconds. You can see now it has started installing. So let's just wait for a few seconds, like I said again. So guys, now you can see the MetaMask app is done downloading and installing. So let me go ahead now to tap on open. You can see it there on the right hand side. So let me do that. So guys, now you can see the MetaMask app is opening. So guys, now you can see the MetaMask has opened up. You can see this is the first interface you're going to see if you're using the app for the first time. You can see what's written there. Welcome to MetaMask. Trusted by millions, MetaMask is a secure wallet making the world of Web3 accessible to all. So guys, what you have to do next is to tap on get started. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it. So guys, after you tap on get started, the next step you'll be faced with is to create a password. So you have to create a strong password that only you can guess. So guys, after that, the next step now is to set up your wallet. And set up your wallet entails you getting your recovery phrase. You have to store your secret recovery phrase in a safe place. So guys, what you have to do is to copy the recovery phrase, write it down and save it somewhere safe. So guys, after you're done with the wallet setup, which is securing your account and writing down your secret phrase, then your account will be created. So guys, it's that easy. So guys, it's very important you write down your secret recovery phrase and keep it somewhere safe, because that's the only means you can get to recover your account in case you lose your phone or you lose access to your wallet. So guys, make sure you keep it somewhere safe so that no one can get it. Anyone who gets your secret recovery phrase will be able to get access to your wallet and also your phone. So guys, make sure you take note of that. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release new videos like this, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.